What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the video, guys, and this is Benard choice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix notes feature not showing on your Instagram application. So if you have been experiencing this issue, guys, I'm going to show you two different ways whereby when you apply those methods, then you'll fix this issue ASAP. So without further ado, guys, let's jump into today's video. So guys, the first method is to turn on activity status, but guys, make sure your app is updated. Now tap on your profile at the bottom. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Now guys, scroll down. Tap on messages and story replies. Tap on message request. Tap on your followers on Instagram and make sure that option is enabled. Now go back. Others on Instagram, tap on it and make sure that option is enabled also, guys. Now go back. Tap on show activity status. So guys, make sure that option is enabled also, as you can see. Now go back, guys, and refresh the application. Now let's try and see if the feature is enabled. As you can see, guys, the note feature is enabled now. This is now the first method. So in case this method doesn't work, guys, you can do the second method I'm going to show you right now. So guys, the second method I'm going to show you is to switch to professional account and then back to personal account. Now tap on the profile icon, then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on account type and tools. Now tap the first option, switch to professional account, and then you follow the procedure as you follow along, guys. Now after doing that, the next step is to go back to your home page and then you refresh it. Now is to go back and turn the account to personal account. Tap on those three dots on the top right corner once more. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on creator tools and controls. Now tap on switch account type. Now turn it to personal account. Tap on it and then you confirm. Now you go back to your home page and then you refresh the application once more and try to see if the feature has now come. As you can see, the feature is now available, guys. So guys, with these two methods I've shown you today, you'll have fixed this issue of notes feature not showing in your Instagram application. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.